Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video we're going to be entertained by Malam Buhari's aide's attempt at being clever with words. So this is going to be the sum total of this video. As guys, I bring you this: Presidency reacts to claim of a cabal in Buhari's government. So that's the headline. Presidency reacts to claim of a cabal in Buhari's government. So now let's see now what explanation they're coming up with for this particular accusation that's been leveled against them pretty much since the start of this administration. The Senior Special Assistant to the President on Media and Publicity, Garba Shehu, on Sunday, December the 22nd, admitted that there are people in Aso Rock Villa advising President Muhammad Buhari who have been derogated by Nigerians with the name Cabal. Garba Shehu, who disclosed this at the annual general meeting of the All Progressive Congress Press Corps, stated that elsewhere such people are known as kitchen cabinet, but in Nigeria they are described as a cabal to tarnish their good standing. The presidential spokesperson affirmed that there is no government in Nigeria in which some people have not been accused of being a cabal. According to him, it is a regular occurrence because every president must have a secretariat. So this is what Garba Shehu said. This is the text of his speech. Every president must have people who advise him. It is not a sin, it is not an offense to have people that you take into confidence. What is the meaning of cabal? I just googled thesaurus, and amongst many of the other definitions, what they are saying is that a cabal means conspire, intrigue, mistake, occult, secret, etc. There is no government in this country that we have had that some people were not accused of being a cabal in that government, and it is because every administration, every president must have a secretariat. Elsewhere, they call them kitchen cabinet, but in our country, we're being derogatory and we term them cabal so that it will tarnish their good standing. So now this is now this guy effectively admitting that unelected people have taken over Buhari so that the decisions that are being made on behalf of the government are being made by people who are not accounted to anyone. So these people now that they are calling cabals, that he's trying to rebrand as a kitchen cabinet, they are shadowy figures. They are not known, and well, they are known actually. Well, we cannot say that they are not known. Their names are out there, but they were never elected by anybody into even a local government, never mind into something as all-encompassing as a federal governance. So this cabal now are now responsible in effect, because if he's saying that these people have influence over the president and the president takes them into confidence, then clearly all of the things that we have been seeing in the country is attributed or attributable to these people as well. So there's no getting away from that. And what have we been seeing? Some of the worst elections that have ever been held in not only Nigeria, in fact in the whole of Africa. Some of the worst elections, some of the worst atrocities that we've experienced within the Nigerian space, a complete disregard of the rule of law, because obviously somebody will be telling Buhari that he can disregard the rule of law for him to then proceed to go on and do that. So these people are indeed shadowy figures. They are conspirators full of intrigue and mistake, occult and secret. These are the terms that Garba Shehu used to describe these people, and these are not my words. Conversations in the comments section, they finally put their hands up and surrendered to admit that Buhari is not actually in charge of the country. But then of course nobody has ever been of the thought that he is. Come tell me what you are making of what this Garba Shehu has to say in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns grey. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of what this Garba Shehu is saying in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Join you in the comment section. But here I say peace.